Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. We're going to go over technical analysis of oil and gas. I've got some solar and renewables in the back. And I'll give you my opinion on what's going on here. What happens is an expansionary phase of real estate comes, money gets loaned into existence, brand new money against a new asset, against a brand new house, and it's inflationary. Where that inflation goes is oil. That's kind of the first spot it goes. Oil is one of the biggest inflation hedges. Platinum's a very good one as well. These things rocket higher. And when they rocket higher, oil is the number one commodity. It gets into everything. Eventually, with a time delay lag, about 450 days, 600 days, 650 days, somewhere in that range, it filters in and you see it in CPI. Then people get excited and they go buy gold to hedge themselves against inflation. And they drive gold and platinum and all these precious metals through the roof. So oil is a direct benefactor of inflation from an expansionary phase of real estate. It's also a benefactor of the synthetic money creation that they just pummeled into the system. So we're going to see it from the beginning, stimulus money checks, and then we're going to see it from the expansionary phase, which is structural and demographic driven. So here we go. I'll do our technical analysis update, give you my financial opinion. It's just an opinion. So here's crude oil. We were up again today. We're at 73.93, and we're trying to break through this resistance area all through here. We break through here. I think we're going to move higher, and it could be substantially higher. We're going to blow through 140 like it's nothing. We're going to slice through it like a samurai sword through hot butter. It's going to be like nothing. When? I don't know, but it will happen. I think $200 and something oil's in the cards. That's my guess. But I can't tell you the exact timing. Here is oil on a different chart. We'll chart it out here. We are breaking to the upside. Looks really good. We got a good drive out of this bullish engulfing pattern. Other bullish engulfing pattern here, which means we're going to go higher. That's what a bullish engulfing is. It means that we're going to see this move on up. And natural gas has been moving up. It could be in a little consolidation phase where it goes sideways for a little bit and then breaks to the upside. But natural gas is going to be uber strong, I think. XLE, this guy's looking fantastic as well. I know we got some ETF guys out here. I would say it's somewhere in there. We're breaking to the upside. Looks good. I would be holding on to it. Doesn't mean it'll go straight higher, but we broke the downtrend. I think we will be moving in the upward direction. OIH is still down, so this is another one that I think I would look at. The oil service companies, I think this is a good spot if you like it. SM Energy, it continues to move on higher. Looks really good. Now we just got to get through this sticky area and move on up with the price of oil. CDEV's another one I like quite a bit. It's a natural gas oil company, high debt. High debt means high leverage. High leverage means big, volatile moves. And it's great when it goes up. It's horrible when it goes down. And then Callon Petroleum, look at that. It's moving pretty strong to the upside. I think it looks pretty good. And then we've got Reconnaissance Africa. It's putting in a bullish engulfing, a real small one. We could see this thing rocket higher. We're right there at the tip. And what I mean by that is we're right there at the tip. We've got this little pattern that's there, that we're right at the tip there. See it? Now you can see what playing just the tip game is. Right there. Break up. Come on, baby. Tetra Technologies looking pretty good for an oil service company. They got a lot of debt as well. Tellurian is building a liquefied natural gas terminal. You can see it broke to the upside here. It's moving on higher. It's looking fantastic. Volume stepped in and bought it too. Grand Tierra Energy. What do we got here, guys? We have opportunities is what we have. We can draw it through here. We're breaking to the upside right now. Let's see if it can hold. Let's close above it and move on higher. Athabasca Oil Corp. Again, we're just moving sideways. It looks pretty good. Small down days. Nothing bad. I bet you it's going to head higher. Got a bullish engulfing right here. Sticking out like no other. Crew Energy, my lord. Let's make some new 52-week highs. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the volume. Heck yes. Antero Resources, small little down day. Nothing too worrisome. Comstock's looking a little bit tired with the way this thing looks in the wicks at the top. You might see a pullback here if you get a pullback in natural gas. Sandridge is also looking a little bit tired. I would see if this thing falls a little bit. If natural gas falls. If natural gas goes up, could be all game off. I wouldn't sell it though. I would hold on. Now, TAN. I got stopped out, guys. I am not in TAN anymore. I will make that official. And I got stopped out here. We were breaking to the downside. I think interest rates are impacting it in a negative way. I got cabbage hands when it comes to TAN. Because I got stopped out of Beam. I got stopped out of Sunworks. I got stopped out of SOL. And I still own FCEL. It still looks really good to go higher. I still own that one. So that's what I wanted to update on. I'm a huge bull in energy in general. The solar companies, I didn't know how correlated they were to oil versus tech stocks and what interest rates would do to them. I'm watching interest rates go up. I'm watching these things go down. It's like, you know what? I'm gonna pull my small losses and roll them into things that I have a little bit more conviction in, like oil, like natural gas, some of the precious metals. That's where I'm going to be deploying more money very soon. Is in silver stocks most likely. I'm going to beef up the silver stocks. I'm already very heavily weighted in oil and natural gas and in uranium. And if I see some opportunities that are really low, like copper, nickel, like a Nova royalty, I might add into those, start beefing those up, some of these other royalty companies as well, when they come back and bottom and turn. I've already been sprinkling in them, but I'm going to continue to do it with this money that I got stopped out on. So that's the update. Hopefully you guys can use this information for whatever purposes you want. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.